two. Hello, everybody. My name is Sobo Muto, and I am in Group 6. My other two team members are Nane Yeji and Alfonta. This is our final project for our mobile application development class. So in this class, we have developed a clone of Grab and San, which is a ride booking application. And then we have two parts, the Get Me, which is the actual application, and the backend, which is our containerized backend. So to run this, you want to open the terminal, and then you want to type in Docker compose up. After you have made sure all of the backend is up and running, you want to open the application. So on the left side, we have the customer side, and on the right side, we'll have the driver side. So on the customer side, let's add example. So we can register both as a customer, and we can also register also as a driver. But I will not be showing that here. I just wanted to know that that functionality is there. So in here, we have elifexample.com, and then hash underscore path underscore 123. Oops. Hash grid underscore 123. Okay, that works. So after we have logged in as a customer, it will ask for the permission, which is the location permission, as well as a notification permission. I'll allow both of them. After that, we'll log in as a driver. We have some dummy drivers, dummy data. David at drive, David at i.com, and then driver underscore path underscore one, and then log in. Oops, David at drive.com, driver underscore path underscore one, login. Okay, so that's not the correct password. Give me a second. Okay, so the password for the driver was path underscore driver underscore one, and then we'll log in here. So on the customer side, we have the activity, which shows our ongoing ride, and the history, which shows all of the rides that we have completed or canceled. And then we have the notification, which shows our previous notification, as well as a profile screen that shows all of our information. And then on the driver side, we have a trip history, which shows all completed trips, as well as the earnings screen, which shows all of our earnings. And then, so now we will book a ride. So first we can click either one of these things, and then I will use my current location, or we can use this to search our location. And then we use the current location, and then I want to go to the War Remnant Museum. And then since this is mobile, we'll use the on-screen keyboard's enter button to get the results. And after that, we pick the right one, the above one. Right one, and this is the correct address, so we'll set this destination. Finally, we can choose our ride. If we don't, I'll choose cash, and then we don't choose our ride, we get a warning to choose a vehicle type. I will choose the cheapest, which is economy, and then we book our ride. And on the driver's side, when he goes online, then he can see all of the ride requests and he can accept it. So when he accepts the ride request, the app immediately begins tracking the location of the driver. And then the customer also gets a notification that the ride has been accepted. Then in our ongoing screen, we can see that here the driver is on. Finally, we can also see the information about the driver, as well as all of the trip costs. And finally, we can, when the driver starts a ride, we immediately get to the location. And then when the driver completes the ride, we get the complete screen where we can submit a rating. And then the customer can book another ride. That is all for our ride sharing project. Thank you very much for watching.